The new year motivates many people to accomplish some of those long-awaited resolutions. As a result, local mental health services are seeing a rise in people seeking help after the holidays. News Press Now's Sarah Rooney tells us more.
While the holiday season is known for bringing cheer and joy, for many people it can be a difficult time. Nevertheless, one local mental health organization typically sees fewer people coming in for help during the holidays.
We see a decreased number of people coming in to seek out mental health care, and we really think a lot of that is attributed to the holiday season is so busy for people. There's so many festivities, so many parties, so much activity with children that we know people can kind of back burner their mental health for a little bit.
However, the new year brings a new trend. Hannon said the Family Guidance Center sees an increase in people who finally have the motivation to act on seeking help.
When people are sitting down and they're thinking, how am I going to start my new year? What is 2023 going to look like for me? How can I make my life better in 2023? One of the things we see people thinking about is their mental health and wanting to come in and get some things dealt with that maybe they've been back burnering during the holiday season.
Another agency, the center, also sees an increase in demand for mental health help in the winter.
Our clinic and most clinics in town are pretty much 100% all of the time. There's just a lot of need out there. I think if you look at the statistical likelihood just of people being a little bit more depressed, there's an increase in the winter season of feeling bad.
When comparing 2022 to past years, Hannon said they have seen a higher demand throughout the community for behavioral health services.
We're constantly seeking out new staff. So for example, a few years back we had 3 psychiatric providers. We now have 8 psychiatric providers, and we have another person who is starting next week for us because we know that all those people that we have hired are full. We know there's an increased need for behavioral health. We know we're seeing more people, and we want to continue to make sure that we have open access for our community.
Another contributing factor to seeing more people using their services is the growing awareness of mental health.
It used to be nobody would say, I'm depressed. People didn't want to say, I take an antidepressant, oh, I take a mood stabilizer, I take an anti-anxiety agent. But what we're seeing over the last couple years especially is that it's really become normalized to talk about those things.
The Family Guidance Center is nearing the completion of its new behavioral health urgent care clinic. For a closer look at the details of this new facility, head to our website at newspressnow.com. Reporting for News Press Now, I'm Sarah Rooney.